This Lamborghini was once a symbol of speed, power, and Italian perfection, but today it sits forgotten, dusty, silent, abandoned. In this video, you'll witness a complete Lamborghini restoration from teardown to final roar. Every bolt, every panel, every detail. This isn't just a rebuild, this is a resurrection. The garage door creaks open. Light cuts through the darkness, revealing a Lamborghini buried under dust. Flat tires, oxidized paint, faded badges. Once a supercar king, now barely breathing. But beneath the grime, we see potential. This machine deserves a second life. We walk around the car slowly. Scratches across the doors, cracked headlights, dry-rotted rubber seals. Inside, worn leather, dusty dashboard, sagging headliner. Under the hood, oil leaks, brittle hoses, corrosion everywhere. This won't be easy, but nothing legendary ever is. The rebuild begins. Wheels come off, bumpers removed, doors, lights, glass, every piece carefully labeled. The interior is stripped bare, seats, carpets, dash, wiring. Finally, the heart of the beast, the engine, is lifted out. Silence fills the workshop. Now the real work begins. The V10/V12 engine sits on the stand. Valve covers removed, timing components exposed. Pistons, rods, crankshaft one by one. Every seal hardened, every gasket brittle, carbon buildup everywhere. But the core is strong. This engine isn't dead, it's just waiting to breathe again. New bearings installed, fresh seals, gaskets, and timing components. Injectors cleaned, throttle bodies polished, cooling system rebuilt. Each torque spec checked twice, each bolt tightened with precision. This isn't repair, this is rebirth. While the engine rests, the chassis comes alive. New bushings pressed in, control arms cleaned and repainted, coilovers installed, massive brake calipers rebuilt, fresh rotors mounted, new stainless brake lines connected. This Lamborghini won't just look fast, it will drive fast again. Back to the body. Paint stripped, dents pulled, rust cut and welded. Every panel is reshaped by hand, edges sharpened, gaps aligned perfectly. The surface is sanded smooth, preparing for transformation. Masking tape seals every edge. Primer coats glide across the body. Wet sanding brings glass-like smoothness. Then, color. A signature Lamborghini shade, deep, aggressive, and glowing under booth lights. Clear coat seals the finish, from dust to diamond. Inside the cabin, seats are reupholstered in premium leather, steering wheel restored, dashboard cleaned and rewrapped, new carpets laid, switches refreshed, stitching perfected. This cockpit once felt tired, now it feels brand new. The puzzle comes together. Engine lowered into place, wiring harnesses connected, cooling hoses secured. Glass installed, lights fitted, badges aligned, fresh wheels mounted, every detail flawless. Fuel pump primes, ignition on. Silence. Then, the engine fires to life, smooth idle, crisp throttle, pure Lamborghini sound. After months of work, the beast breathes again. Sunlight hits the paint. The Lamborghini rolls out of the garage, flawless reflections, aggressive stance. Before, abandoned, now, unstoppable. On the road, the throttle opens. Exhaust screams, gears snap. The soul of this supercar is alive again. This isn't just restoration, this is redemption. If you enjoyed this Lamborghini full restoration, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite moment. Which supercar should we restore next?